In today's video, we're going to look at the summertime update including the new fishing in the new map. So now, let's go. So, hello guys. Welcome back. So, today, the Hive just updated and we're going to explore all the kinds of games or stuff and yeah. Like, can someone tell me in the comments, is this a skin or a no? But, okay. So, like, summer daily. Let's see what this is. So, welcome to summer daily. Use your fishing rod to catch and reel gifts to the shore. What? Will surface every day, so make sure to pack regularly. So, I think here So, I think here, like, every day these clips will come up and so, yeah. So, this is the new update, so let's go to the other one. Wait, but every time I done with every mode, I'll rank them up to 10 and this mode is going to be a 7.5. So, guys, I think this pirate ship is new and yeah, so the pirate ship, now the hat. Is there a new hat here? I don't know, bro. I think like this. Wait, let me check on the Hive, like Hive Summer Daily. So guys, I can see that there's a parrot, a crab, and like this and this. So there's new items such as a pet, a hat, a mount, and more. So I think this sounds cool, and I'll give that rating like 8.5 out of 10. So next up is the map. So the map is like pretty nice with like the sun and stuff and the pebbles and the palm tree just like it fits so good. And like I saw this when I was like going to that over there, so like it's good. It has an anchor. Like, is this supposed to be like a cardboard box? And wait, let me show you this. So can you tell me in the like, is this brand new? Is this brand new, a brand new bridge? Because I didn't see it here before, and I wanna tell you guys something. Is that brand new or no? Can you tell me in the comments below, is that brand new? That yes or no? So yeah, I'll give this a rating like 8 point and 8 out of 10 because this like is just a common map, and don't hate me guys, but like there's no something special about this. So yeah, thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and goodbye.